friends, I am Meghna Parikh and today we are here to start a lecture series of Mathematics 2. Chapter is Vector Calculus and topic is Parametric Curve and the Line Integral. Now what is the parametrization of the curve and line integrals? Parametric equation in which instead of defining y in terms of x, that means y equal to f of x, or x in terms of y, x equal to f of y, and both x and y can be also defined in terms of new thought variable like a parameter x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t. Each value of t is defined in the xy, f of t, g of t, and collection of these points are possible to t defines the graph of the parametric equation, which is a parametric curve. Okay, so that's why we are taking if we are taking a t different value of the t, and we are obtaining some graph is depend on the t values. There is a parametric curve. Sketch the parametric curve for the set of parametric equation. Eliminate the parameter from the set of parametric equation. Here is x equal to t square plus t and y equal to 2t minus 1. Okay. Now we have some values about the t, x and y. If we are putting the value of t, x and y, we get the different value of x and y for the t. And it is in Cartesian in graph we see that there is a red line is a parabola curve for the t values. Okay. So x equal to t square plus t, y equal to 2t minus 1 is a graph highlighted by the red line. Now for the eliminate in the equation, y equal to 2t minus 1. So we are taking t equal to y plus 1 by 2. Put this value in the x formation, t square plus t. So it is y plus 1 by 2 whole square plus y plus 1 by 2. So now we get the equation is x equal to f of y formation. We will eliminate t value from these two equations. So that means we have the two formation, x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t. And if we want to find x equal to f of y, take y equal to some subject as a t and create a subject as a t, y plus 1 by 2. Put this value in the x formation, we get the x equal to f of y formation. Similarly, we are getting y equal to f of x formation, and which is a parabola the open to right. Some parametric equation. Parametric equation for the x by a whole square plus y by b whole square equal to 1. X equal to a cos t, y equal to b sin t for the clockwise. And x equal to a cos t, y equal to minus b sin t, it is counterclockwise. Now it is circle, x square plus y square equal to r square, x equal to r cos t, y equal to r sin t. For the clockwise and anti-clockwise, y equal to minus r sin t. To join two line segments of the x0, y0, x1, y1, z1, we have the three equation of the variable x equal to 1 minus tx0 plus tx1, 1 minus ty0 plus ty1, 1 minus tz0 plus tz. Similarly, y equal to f of x, that means y is a dependent on x and x is g of y. We take x equal to t, y equal to t, so y equal to f of t and x equal to g of t. Now, we introduce line integral. Line integral in the plane. Let's see we a smooth curve given by parametric equation like x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, where t value is between a to b. With the vector equation r bar t, x of t I caret, y of t j caret, then line integral of f is given by integration over c path f of x y ds integration a to b f of x t y of t r dash t of modulus dt. Now what is r dash t is under root dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square, or we are taking ds equal to dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt. Taking example, integration over c path xy raised to 4 ds. C is the right half of the circle, x square y square equal to 16. This is a parametric equation of the circle is x equal to 4 cos t, y equal to 4 sin t, because in table we see that x equal to r cos t and y equal to r sin t are the parametric equation of the circle for the clockwise. Now what is r? R is here x square plus y square equal to r square. So what is r? R equal to 4. So we take x equal to r 4 cos t, y equal to 4 sin t. So what is dx? Dx is minus 4 sin t and dy by dt is 4 sin t. Now dx by dt whole square, sorry, it is 4 cos t. Okay, dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt, it is x sin square t plus cos square t 1 and we take 4 dt. Now find the integral over c xy raised to 4 ds. What is the limit? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because it is say that right half of the circle. So we take this half of the circle, or right half, that means, sorry, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. What is x? X is 4 cos t, y raised to 4, 4 sin t raised to 4. 4 raised to 4 into 4 we take 4096. Now it is sin raised to 4t into cos t. It is a differentiation and differentiation with the function multiplication. Integration is sin raised to 5t by t. Put the upper limit minus lower limit. We get answer as 8192 by 5. So this is the answer of this integral using line integral. Okay. Next example, evaluate over integration 2x dx where c equal to c1 union c2. c1 is the arc of the parabola y equal to x square and its limit are 0 to 1. c2 is vertical line from the 1 to 2. So parametric equation and curves are this type of the curves. This is a parabola y equal to x square and these are vertical lines. Now parameterization curve for the c1, we take x equal to t, y equal to t square due to parabola and value of x and y, that means interval is 0 to 1 for the t. For the c2, x equal to 1 and y equal to t plus 1 due to vertical line, 1 less than t less than equal to 2. For the c1, dx by dt equal to 1, dy by dt equal to 2t. Put this value in dx by dt, dy by dt formations. 1 square plus 2t square dt, 1 plus 4t square. Okay. Similarly for the c2, dx by dt is 0 and dy by dt is 1. Put this value in 0 plus 1 whole square, it is dt. Now for the c1, take 2x dx. Integration of over 2x dx, 0 to 1. What is x? X is t under root 1 plus 4t square dt. Integrate this, we get 5 under root 5 minus 1 by 6. Now taking C2 path, 2x dx, and limit is 1 to 2, it is 2 dt, so answer is 2. To add this path, we get the answer is 5 under root 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 2. So last answer is 5 under root 5 plus 11 by 6. Thank you.